There are tons of ways to cut metal, but most are either a total pain or leave a jagged mess. Enter the plasma cutter. This thing slices through metal like butter, leaving a clean edge. But hold on, not all plasma cutters are created equal. Some are crazily expensive, others barely dent your toolbox. So what's the best option out there? Hey guys, welcome back to your favorite channel where we curate the best products on the internet for you. Today, we bring you our list of the top 8 best plasma cutters available now. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. Number 8. Hobart AirForce 12CI. The 12CI model is a beast, packing pro-grade quality into a surprisingly lightweight package. At just 26 pounds, this one is ideal for anyone who needs to haul their cutter around. Think repair work, on-site jobs, or maybe you just have a serious shop setup and want flexibility. Plus, it has a built-in air compressor, meaning one less bulky thing to lug around. The AirForce 12CI isn't just about portability. It features the XT12R torch, which is designed for smooth operation with a comfy safety trigger, and the cutting tips won't drain your wallet every time you replace them. Hobart clearly thought about how long work sessions can be with a plasma cutter, so these details make a difference. Number 7. Eastwood Versa Cut 60. This beast has serious power, boasting cuts through steel up to 7/8 of an inch thick. It's also dual voltage, so you can run it on your regular household outlet or crank it up with a 220 volt connection. There's a catch though. To really push this machine on those heavy cuts, you'll need a beefy 50 amp breaker, which most houses don't have. If you're not planning on tackling super thick material, the Versa Cut 40 might be a better fit, slicing through steel up to 3/8 of an inch. While the manufacturer mentions clean cuts on that maximum thickness, they don't specify how much thicker it can cut through before things get rough. One perk is the pilot arc, meaning you could say goodbye to messy prep work on rusty or uneven metal. It also has 2T and 4T capability, which is nice for longer cuts, along with a solid duty cycle so you can work longer stretches without overheating the machine. If you want to hook up this to a CNC table, that's not going to work due to its high frequency start. Number 6. PRIMEWELD Cut 60 Pilot. That pilot arc feature means it'll slice through rusty parts or old paint for quick work on repairs or salvage material. On thin metal, like 1/8 inch steel, this thing zipped through cleanly. However, where it started to struggle was on thicker steel. 1/4 inch plate slowed it down a lot. Now, for the price, you can't expect top tier performance, but if you're regularly cutting heavier material, this might not be your best bet. On the brighter side, it does come with a solid 3-year warranty, which isn't always a given on budget cutters. Couple of practical things. That long 20-foot torch cable is awesome, love the reach, but the short power cable was a pain to work with. Also, heads up, this unit eats through consumables, so be prepared to stock up. My other gripe is the user manual. Let's just say it's practically useless.
Why are we still here? Just to suffer every night.
Number 5. Miller Electric 907529. Miller's a respected name in the welding world, but honestly, this cutter feels a bit underwhelming for the hefty price tag. It has features going for it though. The pilot arc is great, no messing around to cut painted or rusty metal, even up to its claimed 5/8 inch max cut. Plus, it's super lightweight with a carrying case and a shoulder strap for easy hauling around job sites. The multi-voltage plug seems super convenient, letting you go to 110 volts to 240 volts, but this thing tripped up constantly, which quickly got pretty annoying, especially on weaker circuits. Cuts felt sluggish too, particularly on lower voltage. Now, it does have automatic air regulation to make setup simpler, so there's a small win. Number 4. Forney EasyWeld 251. A user-friendly plasma cutter that's great for tackling smaller projects. This machine has a handy drag touch pilot arc, which means you can just drag the tip along your metal and start cutting. No pristine surfaces needed. Rusty parts, grimy steel, not a problem for this cutter. However, there's a limit on thickness with this mod. Steel maxes out at 1/4 inch and aluminum around 3/16 of an inch. So if you're constantly handling big, thick stuff, you might need to look at more heavy-duty cutters. On the plus side, the EasyWeld 251 runs on your standard 120 volt household outlet. No fancy plugs required. And if you're working somewhere without outlets altogether, it's generator friendly too. Another bonus, it's way more affordable than those higher end models. It's a solid entry level cutter that's easy to use and won't break the bank. Number 3. Hypertherm Powermax30 XP. If you need a plasma cutter that's built like a tank, Hypertherm's the name to know. This particular model hits that sweet spot with pro-level quality and a tad more accessible price-wise. First off, this thing loves any outlet. Adapts automatically from 110 to 240 volts, and guess what? They include all the adapters. The real USP of this thing is it cuts like a dream. We tackled half-inch steel and got smooth, clean slices at a surprising speed. You can even push it to 5 by 8 inches without it completely falling apart. It comes with Hypertherm's signature fine cut consumables too, letting you finesse detail work on thinner metal, not just blast through thick stuff. Plus, a solid 3-year warranty puts some money where their mouth is in terms of quality. Number 2. Amico CUT-50. This thing is surprisingly budget-friendly, especially considering its power, boasting a 1-inch rough cut. This opens the door to some serious DIY projects and potentially even professional work. We could even see it handling light industrial jobs. It adjusts to regular 110-volt outlets through a beefier 240-volt, and the 110 adapter volt is actually included. This flexibility adds to the value. There's a catch though. Quality control seems a bit iffy. Sometimes. That aside, at this price point, with power like this, it's hard to go wrong. Sure, you won't get the bells and whistles of a major brand, but if you need a cutter that gets the job done without emptying your wallet, the Amico CUT-50 is worth a serious look. Number 1. Lotos LTP5000D. This model packs a surprising punch for its price point with an impressive 0.75-inch maximum or 3/4-inch cut that allows you to tackle a variety of projects. One perk is its dual voltage capability. Plug it into your typical 110-volt outlet or give it more juice with a 220-volt connection. Just note that you'll need to spring for a separate adapter if you want to stick with the lower voltage. Once you have it powered up and hooked up to your air compressor, you'll appreciate the non-touch pilot arc. This feature means you can ditch the time-consuming grind down work, cutting right through rusty or painted surfaces without a hiccup. On steel up to a half-inch thick, it definitely delivers clean cuts, though you'll want to keep your pace steady. Anything thinner, this model slices through effortlessly, leaving behind a smooth edge with practically zero cleanup needed. To ease your mind, Lotos even throws in a 1-year warranty on this tool. That's it for today, guys. Like and share the video, and comment down which plasma cutter would be best for you. All the product links are given in the description below, so make sure to check them out. I'll be back with more of the best products soon, so make sure you subscribe to the channel and press that bell icon to get a notification on our latest video. Till then, keep exploring.